In our last episode of Biostats Summed Up, we learned that the relative risk can be used as a measure of causation, as long as there is random assignment of the two levels of the exposure variable. This can be as simple as randomly assigning study participants to an experimental group or a control group and following their progress over time in a randomized, controlled trial. But the relative risk, either as a measure of causation or as a measure of association, cannot be used in retrospective studies. And this is a simple consequence of mathematics and the nature of probability theory, specifically conditional probability. Let me explain. The relative risk is the probability of observing an outcome given exposure divided by the probability of observing that same outcome given no exposure. Please notice that the conditions, exposure versus no exposure, must precede the arguments, in this case, the outcome, in time. And that is the way conditional probability always works. Conditions must precede arguments in time for conditional probabilities to be validly interpretable. Indeed, it is for this super simple reason that relative risk cannot be used in retrospective studies. Liking and subscribing really helps support this channel, and I really appreciate your support. This is Dr. J. Lee Noose for Biostats Summed Up.